Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon on a pan. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin. Next, season both sides generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other herbs or spices you love. Preparing your fillets properly sets the stage for a truly delicious meal. Now let's get that perfect sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan like cast iron over medium-high heat. Once hot, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook undisturbed for 4 to 6 minutes. This initial cook time is essential for developing a beautiful, crispy skin and locking in flavor. After the skin side is perfectly crispy, it's time to flip. Gently turn the salmon over and continue cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. For extra richness, you can add a knob of butter, some minced garlic, and fresh herbs to the pan, basting the fish as it finishes. The salmon is done when its internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The final, crucial step is resting. Once cooked, transfer your salmon to a plate and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This brief resting period allows the natural juices to redistribute throughout the fillet, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and tender. Serve your perfectly pan-seared salmon immediately with your favorite side dishes, like roasted vegetables or a fresh salad, and enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.